We've been looking for a new home for a while. We were actually looking for a second-hand property, and then my husband came across the new builds at Graylingwell. And it was something we hadn't really thought of before, but actually it really suited our needs to come into somewhere that was already done. It was no work to be completed, really great open spaces in terms of the kitchen and the living room.
What stood out for me when we first arrived on site is the nice open spaces. We've got the park to walk our dog, literally around the corner. Everyone's really friendly.
It's great to be really close to local things around.
We're close to all the major supermarkets and the links across the coast, so we can get to and from work quite easily. And it's an eco site as well, which is also really beneficial. Keeps our bills down. Our heating bills have just come massively down from what we previously had. We found it great, the process, the part exchange. It was ideal for us. Due to job pressures, particularly myself, I had to get moved quickly, so it allowed us to not deal with any chains and not deal with any other painful processes of other buyers pulling out. It was nice, quick and efficient. The team there were brilliant and able to answer all our queries and guide us through the whole process. We decided to buy the Elm property, which is a 4-bedroom townhouse style property. We liked it because we liked the spreaded space over the 3 floors. And the nice open living room space.
We found the Linden staff really helpful. Tom in particular was fantastic throughout the whole process, kept us up to date, was really natural, was really welcoming when we kept harassing and hounding him. He was always there on the end of the phone.
I would definitely recommend Linden and the Graylingwell Park site to family and friends, absolutely, and in fact we already have, to parents moving close by. I think the whole service from start to finish has been excellent.